how to fix Messenger waiting for network problem Android. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can Messenger network problems. So let's get started. Now before we jump into the solutions, let's quickly talk about why this issue happens. The waiting for network message usually shows up when Messenger can't connect to the internet properly. This can be due to weak signals, app bugs, outdated versions, or even temporary outages on Facebook's end. So let's start with a few quick fixes. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Messenger. See if there's an update available. If there is, go ahead and install it. Outdated versions are one of the most common reasons for this issue. Once that's done, open the Messenger app. On the bottom right, tap the menu icon, that's the little hamburger icon with three horizontal lines. Then tap on Settings, which is located right at the top of the screen. Now scroll all the way down to the very bottom. Under the Safety section, tap on Report a technical problem. You can also access this screen by simply shaking your phone, which will bring up the report menu automatically. Now we need to describe the issue so the support team knows what's going on. I'm going to tap on the camera roll icon here and attach a screenshot of the error message I'm seeing. Then in the message box, I'll type something simple like, experiencing unusual network issues. App keeps saying waiting for network despite being connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. After that, hit send to report the issue. If Messenger still isn't working after that, let's try clearing the app's data. Head over to your phone's settings, then tap on apps and go into manage apps or app management depending on your phone model. Look for Messenger in the list and tap on it. Next, tap on storage and here you'll see two options, clear cache and clear data. Start by clearing the cache. If that doesn't work, you can clear all data, but just keep in mind, this will log you out of Messenger, so make sure you remember your login details. And finally, if you've tried everything and it's still not working, let's check if it's a bigger issue. Open your browser and go to downdetector.com, then search for Messenger. If you see a spike in reports from other users, then it's likely a temporary outage on Facebook's side and you'll just need to wait it out. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.